In this section, we will show you how to use the iOS Consult app. As a reminder, the Consult app is only available on iOS devices and will only automatically sync to completed forms to your Timely account if you're on the Elevate or Innovate plan. In this course, you will learn how to download the Consult app, create and edit forms, sync forms with your Timely account, and use the Consult app with clients in person. To start off, the first thing you need to do is download the Consult app from the Apple App Store on your iPhone or iPad by searching for Timely Consult and tapping on Get. After it's installed, use your Timely login details to sign in. Once you've logged into the Consult app, the first thing I recommend doing is tapping on the cog icon and toggling on PIN security. This feature will require staff members to enter the device's PIN to access completed forms and client data, providing that extra layer of security. Once you've done that, tap Done and jump over to the library. From here, you can either create a new form from scratch or use one of the pre-made industry templates. Let's focus on creating a new form first. To begin, make sure you're on the Start a Consultation screen and tap on the Create Form image to enter the form builder. Look for the cog icon in the top right-hand corner and tap on it. Here you can name your form, add a description, and choose to share with your business. If you toggle this option on, other staff members who use Consult from your business will be able to access and use the templates you share. The shared form will also be available to use in the web version of Timely. If you ever need to, you can unshare these at any time. When you're finished, click on Save to return to the form builder. The form builder may look slightly different depending on whether you're using an iPhone or iPad. If you're using an iPad, you'll find the questions on the left side of your screen, and your in-progress form will be on the right side. For iPhones, the elements are at the bottom of the screen, which you can access by swiping up. To add elements, simply tap on them. You'll notice that each of the elements in the form builder has a pen icon that allows you to access different settings for that particular element. Depending on the type of element, you can write questions, add multiple options, or even include an image for the client to draw on. You can also make certain elements required fields, which means clients will need to fill in those fields before they can save and complete the form. You can also drag and drop the elements into the order you want them to appear to your client. To do so, tap and hold the form element and drag it into the position you'd like this. If you want to remove a form element from your template, tap on the pencil icon and tap Delete. Don't forget that you can check out what your completed form will look like by clicking the Preview button at any time. Once you're done, click Save to save your progress and return to your library. Now let's have a chat about some examples of what you can include in your forms. If you're a hairstylist, you might want to include questions about your client's hair history and preferences. This could include some things like their hair type, previous colouring treatments, and styling preferences. With Timely Consult, you can gather all of this info before their appointment, so you're fully prepared to give them the hair of their dreams. And did you know you can have your new clients upload what their current hair looks like, as well as their hair goals? That's great for those before and after photos if they give you permission to do so. For beauty professionals who offer a range of services like facials, cosmetic tattooing, injectables, and lash extensions, you might want to include questions about your client's skin type, allergies, and other important details. This helps you provide personalised services and ensures your clients have a great experience every time. Eyebrow artists, you can have your new clients upload their current brows directly to the form, so you've got a good idea of what you'll be working with on the day. As a massage therapist, it could be helpful to include questions in your consultation form about your client's health history, prior injuries, or whether they're pregnant. So, once you've finished your template, you can either preview it or click Save. Clicking Save will include that template into your custom form library tab and will now be ready to be used. Still feeling unsure about what questions to ask your clients on your consultation forms? Don't worry, we have you covered. We have worked with industry professionals to create a bunch of consultation forms that Timely customers can send to their clients. You can either use these templates as they are or personalise them to suit your business. To modify an industry template, simply go to the library and scroll down to the industry template section. From there, select the template that interests you and preview it if necessary. If you're happy with the template, tap Get. Make sure to give it a name before saving it. Once saved, this form will be in the library and ready to send to clients. To make any adjustments to the template, tap on the three dots and tap Edit. Just like when we created the form from scratch, you have the flexibility to add new questions, rearrange the order, or delete questions to customize the form how you would like it. When you are happy with the form, tap Save. Once you have made your custom consultations or forms, you can use them with your clients. Starting a consultation is easy. Just select the form you want to use from your library. If you're on the Elevate or Innovate plan, you can search your Timely contacts to pre-populate user details in your consultation form. This saves the client from having to fill out their contact information every time. And don't worry, clients can still edit their details during the consultation by simply tapping on the responses. If the client is new, you can create a new record in Timely by selecting New Client at the beginning of the consultation. Once you have confirmed the client's details, you can either hand over the device for the client to complete their form on their own or go through the questions together. If you need to pause or end the consultation at any point, no problem. Just tap on the Cancel button and you'll have the option to save your progress or delete the consultation altogether. To pick up where you left off with a saved consultation, just head to the Consultations tab and look for the draft under the In Progress folder. Once your client has finished filling out their form, they can simply tap on the Complete button to finalise their answers. After that, the device will prompt them to return it to a staff member. To review your client's answers, tap the arrow icon. Here you can save the consultation to your phone's files, or if you're on Elevate or Innovate plan, you can directly upload it to the client record in Timely by tapping the Upload button. The Consultation tab displays all your in progress and completed consultations, sorted by status and type. If you ever need to delete a consultation, swipe the title to the left and click Delete. Now let's go over the steps to view a completed consultation. Please note that a consultation must be submitted by the client before it can be viewed. You cannot view a consultation while it's still in progress. There are two ways to view completed consult forms: through the Consult app on your device or through the client profile in Timely if you have uploaded it. In the Consult app, completed consultations can be found in the Consultation tab under Complete. To view the consultation through Timely, first go to the Customers tab in the web version of Timely and search for the client. Once you've selected the client, click on the Documents tab on their profile. Here you can see all of the sent consultations. If your client has filled in the consultation, you can click on the View button to see it. If the consultation has not yet been filled out, the View button won't be there and it'll say this hasn't been filled in yet. Now let's talk about Timely Staff View. If someone other than the business owner logs in, their access will be limited to only templates that have been shared with them. This means you don't have to worry about your staff members changing your templates or accidentally deleting something important. If you wish to grant another staff member access to create, edit, or share a template, the business owner needs to log in to the device to access the form builder and sharing functionality. Please note that no other Timely information is accessible from Consult.